Thank you for joining me on Organize with Ann. I am the mom of 4 kids, ages 21, 19, 17, and 13. If you are interested in life content that does not look perfect, this is the right place to be. Today we're going to look at some of my home hacks, so let's go ahead and get started in the kitchen. Kitchen hack number 1. Hang those pots and pans to save your back. Now I know that the pots and pans do not have gorgeous looking bottoms, but this is an item that I reach for on the daily. So by hanging them, I don't have to lean down into my cabinets. I actually do have plenty of space, but it's so much easier to have them on the wall. Use a vase to store your coffee pods. This is a really fun way to keep things organized, but to also make it look really cute on display in your kitchen. Kitchen hack number 3. Get rid of those pesky tea boxes. They take up so much space. What I like to do when purchasing tea is take all the tea bags out, put them in baggies with their label, and then consolidate them all into one container. This makes it so much easier to store in your pantry and then get them out when you have guests or if you just want a glass of tea yourself. Kitchen hack number 4. Find the perfect storage box. Years ago, I purchased these green and clear water bottles for my kids. Now, most of them have been lost, but we still have a few. But this box has been the perfect storage container for all of our water bottles. It may not look perfect, but it functions exactly how it needs to contain all the water bottles that most families have around the house. How is it that I did not know about these Swedish dish rags? I received one from a friend for Christmas and I love it. I have used traditional dish rags for my entire life because that's what my mom used. I am confidently switching over to these because they're compostable, they dry quickly, they don't hold a smell, and they can go in your dishwasher. If you have never tried these, I would really recommend them. They are awesome. Moving on to some fun bedroom hacks. Use a tension rod and some hooks to organize your jewelry. I have bracelets and necklaces all stored here. This helps them to not get tangled, and so I can easily access them and make them part of my wardrobe. I love this. This is how I organize all of my hats. I purchased cafe rods and used the same hooks that I used with my jewelry to keep my hats organized. This is cute, so I can grab a hat and run out the door. Have you ever thought about keeping your makeup in a tote? I used to keep my makeup in a makeup bag, but then I found this tote at the Container Store. It easily slips in and out of my drawer, and I can take it to another bathroom if needed. It's such a great hack to keep my makeup organized and easily accessible. How is it that I did not know about steamers and steamer door covers until I was about 45 years old? There is no need for me to iron anymore because I just keep this ironing pad on my door and my steamer handy to get all the wrinkles out of my clothes. Get one. And for my last hack, I suggest a combination of fake and real plants. I know this is a hot topic, but research has found that in terms of well-being benefits, such as improving mood and morale, as well as productivity and focus, artificial plants really work. I put real ones where I can access them and fake ones where I can't. Thank you for letting me show you some of my home hacks. I hope you found them unique and useful. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.